what you want, go ahead and talk a lot. It don't matter what it is, I got this shit on lock. Drunk at 6 o'clock, turned a nun to a thought. Seen these youngish niggas on my feet, I said why not? Tell me what you want, put it out of stock. When I'm at the top, let's see who jumping at the box.
I wanna like We got some nice sleek hair today. Alright you guys, so this is basically the hair now that we're done with installing. You guys, this is flawless. Like, I don't have any complaints with this hair. Like, the hair is just beautiful. It's really silky and soft. It does remind me a lot like mink Brazilian hair. I don't know if you guys know what that is. Like, that's how soft and silky it is. It's really nice. It does definitely have a nice luster to it. I'm just gonna read you guys all the details. This hair is from Allove Hair, which is an AliExpress vendor. Now, I was sent their Brazilian straight hair. This is their 13x4 Brazilian straight lace front wig. I did get this hair in a 150 density, and I am sorry if I do sound a little stuffed up right now. It's just because I do have a cold, so I'm kind of like talking through my nose, so I do apologize for that. I did get this hair in a 20-inch. I'm just gonna stand so you guys can see how long this hair reaches me. So it reaches me to like right below my boobs, like literally right underneath my boobs. So this hair is a 150 density, and it is pretty full. The hair is thick throughout the entire unit. It does have a really natural look to it, which I really love, because like I said, this wig is like sitting on my head. To be honest, it looks like I got a sew-in. Like, this doesn't even look like a frontal. That's how like natural it looks, and it fits so flat onto my head. A lot of times I do have like a really hard time getting wigs to like lay flat onto my head. I don't know if it's just because my head is so big or what it is, but this one laid so flat, like you cannot tell that this is a wig. It honestly looks like I just got a fresh sew-in, and I'm really loving it. Like, overall the hair is really silky. It's really soft, like I mentioned before. So far I'm not getting any shedding from this hair. Definitely no tangling, but again, this hair is fresh out the box, so that's kind of like to be expected. Another thing that I really like about this wig is that it does not have a lot of flyaways. I don't know if you guys noticed this or not, but like straight hair usually tend to have a lot of flyaways, and this one, like, I'm really not seeing that many on it. So the fact that this one have like barely any, I'm so happy. And so far I have like absolutely no complaints with this hair. I'm just like loving it, and I haven't done like a bone straight hair in so long, so it does like reminds me a lot like the old me. And I think because I haven't done like a bone straight wig in so long, like it just looks a lot like the old me. I know like before I used to do a lot of straight wigs. Lately I've been doing like more curly, like wavy type hair, so this definitely like looks like the old Kayla. Yep, I'm bringing her back. And guys, I definitely know that you guys will love this one, like 100% you guys will. I will have like all the details listed down below for you guys in the description box. So if you're interested in a wig like this, definitely check the description box. All the details on where you can purchase this wig will be listed down below. Thank you guys for tuning back in with another wig tutorial with me. Don't forget to like, share, comment down below and let me know how you guys feeling this wig. And as usual, I will catch you guys in my next one. Bye!